I have to give another shout out to Piece of Cake. After 14 years being in one place, I already had a lot of emotion and a lot of stress going into the move and the big transition that I was about to step into. And I looked around my apartment. I said, there is absolutely no way I can do this by myself, period. And from the moment I picked up the phone and called Piece of Cake, everything was handled. On the day of the move, they came early, they packed everything up quickly and efficiently. Then they went to my office and packed that up, and they moved everything to my new home, placed it where I wanted it to be placed. And all I had to do was get myself there. I will never move without Piece of Cake. I cannot thank them enough for not adding anything else on my plate, because if I had to do it myself, no.